How to factory reset the HP laptop for your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to reset or repair your laptop into its factory form or the default format, here is a quick tutorial. To get started with, you have to open your settings. After that, you have to go to System and then select Recovery. Under Recovery, you have different options such as for problems without resetting or for problems without Windows Update. You can apply this before planning to reset. Or if you want to reset, you can click on Reset this PC under the Recovery option, which will ask you for the administrative permission. Click on Yes and it will open another dialog box. You can either choose to keep some of your files or you can remove everything. After that, you have to select if you want to download the latest version from the cloud platform, or you can auto or manual select it. Follow the on-screen prompts until you get the option to reset. Tap on reset and it will start deleting all the files. And that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.